Hey everyone, so really cool update on Clubhouse. It's called BACKCHANNEL. So basically these are direct messages, direct messaging service for Clubhouse app. It was a long time coming and yeah, super cool. So it has both one-on-one or group chat, and there is also a second inbox for message requests. So you can discuss Clubhouse rooms in real time, take questions from audience, say thank you to people. So super exciting, and this is just the first version, so let's read more about it. So you can discuss room in real time, send and receive questions from audience, say thank you to someone. You can plan your events, you can chat with Clubhouse friends. So there you have it. So let's just take a look where is that. So back channel or direct messages are just in the bottom right. Here you can just tap on this paper plane icon, and then you will see chats. So there are three dots. You can start a new message to someone, and then you can just start sending a message. So yeah. And to start a group chat, you can just select multiple people. There are also message requests which you can have here, but of course you can only send oh no, so yeah, it seems you can send people to whoever you want, which is actually pretty cool. Can I send a message to Nawal or like Clubhouse co-founders? And then, so this is the chat. So that's super interesting. I thought you can only send messages to your followers, but that's interesting. So that's that, and then you can search if you created a chat. Now you can no, okay, so you can just search previous chats here. So that's exciting. If you are annoyed, you can disable message requests. Of course, if someone else who you don't follow or who doesn't follow you or something like that sends you a message, then you will just get like a message request. So that adds another layer to Clubhouse. Now I think marketeers will use this tool as crazy and will try to spam a lot of people, but maybe it's also a good thing for outreach. You can find some really cool influencers, especially on Clubhouse. Yeah, so can be a cool channel. I think a while ago Twitter was like that, like some years ago, where you could just DM and establish some real valuable connections. And even now Twitter is like that, so maybe Clubhouse can become something similar. So yeah, that's that. So you can say thank you to someone. You can coordinate with your co-host to plan events. You can just receive questions from the audience, discuss your rooms in real time, and all of that. So yeah, that's that. If you have additional things to say about, just leave them some comments below. Super interesting to hear.